everyone. I hope all of you are happy, healthy, and safe at your respective places. And today, all of us are meeting again to discuss very interesting and very important word called life. Yes, you have heard it right. Life. The journey that we always ever get into, the journey we are still within. So we are talking about this powerful word called life, जिसमें हम सब एक साथ कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी लेवल पे हैं और अभी भी जब हम एक दूसरे से मिल रहे हैं we are still having different thoughts in our mind, different feelings in our minds. तो जब हम इस जीवन की बात करते हैं तो इस जीवन में ऐसा कोई भी इंसान नहीं है जिसने पूरे जीवन सिर्फ फूलों की सेज देखी हो, जिसने कभी कांटों का दामन ना थामा हो। फिर चाहे वो बिल गेट्स हो, रतन टाटा हो, मुकेश अंबानी हो या हमारे मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम श्री राम, जिन्हें 14 वर्ष का वनवास झेलना पड़ा, अपनी पत्नी से विरह झेलना पड़ा। So whether you live the moment that is intense in your life, be it happy, be it sad, or whether you take charge, that's completely your call. Because all of us have low moments in life, moments of fear, moments of anxiety, moments of extreme pain that I cannot take it any longer. I am badly suffocated. This is it. So, my dear friends, the moment you start feeling this way, you should know that if you will try harder one more time or maybe 2 more times, the other side is the reward that you are always seeking. तो जब ये लो मोमेंट्स हमारे जीवन में आते हैं, हम में से कई लोग खुद को पूरी तरह खो देते हैं और वहीं दूसरी ओर हम में से कुछ लोग अपने बिखरे हुए हिस्सों को, अपने टूटे हुए हिस्सों को पीस बाय पीस जोड़कर एक नए व्यक्तित्व का निर्माण करते हैं, एक नई पर्सनालिटी को जन्म देते हैं। So whether you stay lost all your life, or you take charge of your actions, or you take charge of yourself, is your choice. So whether you beat yourself down or lift yourself up is again your choice. You are the master of your life. You are the creator of your life. The moment you feel that, no, this was something I never expected for me and it has happened out of nowhere, and I'm somehow struggling, juggling between it, don't give up. Do not give up at any cost. Thomas Alva Edison invented bulb after 999 failed attempts. So when someone asked him, how could you have courage to try even one more time after failing for 999 attempts? This gentleman replied with a smile on his face, then I realized at that moment when I had failed attempts, 999 failed attempts, I realized that now I know 999 ways of not making it. Now my knowledge is enhanced. I am close to my goal. And this is not the time when I should lose. This is the time that I need to gain because I've already lost. तो जब आपको ऐसा लगने लगे कि आपने बहुत कुछ खो दिया है, आपने बहुत कुछ झेल लिया है, keep yourself up. Do not lose hope. Because the moment you take charge of your life, the moment you take charge of your choices, things will automatically evolve around. Because your thoughts are very, very powerful. The moment you take charge of your thoughts, your choices or thoughts, it is actually linked together. The moment you will choose to take charge of your thoughts, you change your actions. And the moment you change your actions, you start changing your habits. You stop procrastinating. You take the steps at the very moment. And the moment you change your habits, you start creating a life you always dreamt of. You always wanted that kind of a life. And when you change your habits, you start seeing magic happening in your life. So I'm here to give you 3 mantras. Just 3 mantras to keep you up, to keep you close to your goal of life. Mantra number 1. Write down your reason why. Why I wanna be an IAS or PCS officer. Do not write that I want to be this. Write why I want to be this. I want to be a millionaire. Fine. But why do you want to be a millionaire? Write down that. Because when you will write that, your actions will evolve around. मुझे cause पता है. अब now I need to work for effect. Cause and effect. हमने लॉ पढ़ा है ना न्यूटन का. Cause and effect. The same thing starts happening in your life. The moment you write down why, your internal fuel comes up. That internal fuel, that intrinsic motivation, help you find your way, help you close to your goal. Mantra number 2. This life is short. कुछ लोगों को लगेगा ये तो जिंदगी कट ही नहीं रही है, right? It means if you are in that state wherein you just want to get over it, that's fine. We all have those low moments. But despite the fact that we have adversities in our lives, if we can do something meaningful, if we can keep ourselves up, keep our intrinsic motivation up, to create footprints in this short span of life, because I always call it as short. उसका रीज़न ये है कि हमें इस छोटी सी जर्नी में अपने फुटप्रिंट्स क्रिएट करने. आई हैव नॉट अचीव्ड व्हाट आई ऑलवेज ड्रीम्ड ऑफ. आई हैव ऑल्सो रिटन इट डाउन समवेयर एंड मोस्ट ऑफ यू मस्ट हैव डन इट. बट जिन्होंने नहीं किया है, they should also do it. Because the moment you write down that life is short and I need to create strong footprints, I need to know the purpose of my life and I need to attain it. अभी तो मेरे आने का पर्पस ही सॉल्व नहीं हुआ है. So that will give you a driving fuel. Mantra number 3. Feed yourself, feed your mind basically with positive affirmations. It works magic. It's not about thinking positive or being positive. It's all about pushing yourself to that positive affirmations level. जब आप रात को सोने जाते हैं, आप YouTube में कुछ positive affirmations लगा के, कान में ईयर प्लग लगा के सो जाइए, and you'll see magic. जब आप सो जाएंगे तो आपको सपने भी अच्छे आएंगे, और जब आप अगले दिन उठेंगे, you will be refreshed. You will be a different personality because your mind was trained in a way. Your subconscious mind was telling you that you can do wonders. You're more than what you think of yourself. So this is the way you can create the life you always dreamt of. I hope all of you would enjoy this and start practicing it. Take care of yourself. We'll meet soon again. Bye-bye.